That's what's up. Gotta be lifting him up. No, this ain't love. Gotta be lifting me up. That's what's up. Gotta be lifting him up. No, this ain't love. Gotta be lifting me up. This one for the lost, this one for the hurt, this one for the homies. Feel trapped in his sin, Jesus stepping in, oh yeah, he knows me. Where do I begin? Heavenly Father, my King. Forget what I've been. Baby, I've been born again.
What we need now is to promote community, and I think that's exactly what they're doing. They're learning how to work together. Just happy that y'all came out and they prayed with us.
With the first one we did, I think just seeing how people react to it and how they like interact with it is a blessing.
It's people out here that's going through the same thing I went through. I want to be a testimony to show people that, yeah, you might live that life. Yeah, people might count you out, but Jesus can pick you up and change your life around.
Control, yeah, you know. Got it, move that worry out my brain, don't you know? I've been up, prayers up.